Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Friday, May 19th. Time is 8:22 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, big rise. And it's steadily been pushing up. So, we're actually back up in the $50 range right now. Stochastic starting to head towards the overbought area. Not much on prints just yet, but I am noticing all these failed attempts at the 7 deviation line. So it's been up there actually 4 times, and nothing has been able to push through just yet. So this is going to be interesting to watch and see for Friday. I'm not really sure what to think of that just yet. And I'm not seeing anything on the prints, but it's still really early, so not really expecting to. But my thought process is I don't think it's going to hold. It's been pushing overnight. This is all London time from 4:30 to basically 6, and coming into pre-market, tried again, failed. So may give it another shot, and that may push stochastics into overbought area and then possibly head down from that point there. So I may actually look to get short somewhere around 34, 35, up to 39. So we'll see. All right, guys, I'm going to watch for a bit, and we're going to be real conservative today. Made some pretty decent money this week and don't want to give anything back. So, all right, I'll be back after a while. All right, decent push up. Went ahead and got short 50.36 right here off the current high. And stop is going to be sitting at 42 for, what's that, 26. 6-tick stop, and look to pull a half off at 26. Look, it's almost there. So, 26. Okay, got half off there. Go ahead and move my stop to break even at this point. 50.36. Stop. All right. Okay. Let me see here. 36. All right. Yep, that's a decent first trade so far. All right, I'll be back. All right, guys. Slight adjustment on my stop. I'm actually going to move it up to 40, which is 1 tick above the 7 deviation line. It hasn't seemed to touch here in a while, and I want to give just a bit breathing room, as I think we're probably still going to fall on this here. So there's a chance it's probably going to come on back up into the 36 range, and I think I'd rather just stay in this trade instead of trying to re-entry again. So 5 contracts short, 50.36. Stop sitting at 50.40 for 4-tick stop. And look to peel one off at 50.16 for 20 ticks. So I already got half off. So we'll see what happens here. All right, I'll be back in a bit. Okay, stopped out there at 4 ticks. So now I'm just going to watch and see what happens. So didn't think it'd break there, but it did. And ideally, I'd like to see some prints get on up in this area. Much like over here on the diagnostic bars. A lot of volume there, extreme amount of volume there. So ideally that's what I like to see. Not really expecting that just yet though, but I'll keep an eye out. Alright guys, I'll be back and we'll see if we can get into another trade. Okay guys, hopped this short, 10 contracts, 50.41. I'm seeing just a enormous amount of absorption coming in from the bears here. So I think it's good enough to run that on down at least 10 ticks. So I'm going to see if we can pull half off at 50.31. Let me get all that set up. And stop is going to be a 5-tick stop at 46 right now. And we are in there. Stop. Right. Okay. So short 10 contracts 5041. I don't believe this deviation line is going to hold just yet. I'm not seeing any icebergs or anything on level 2. But with all the absorption going on here, I think it's probably going to fail on back to the 8, and then it'll make another decision at that point. So, all right, we'll see. Be back. All right, guys. So let me see here. Just stepping back. I got half off at 31, and I'm guessing it probably happened right here. So that leaves me 5 contracts short, 5041, and let me see. 41. Yeah, I'll go ahead and move my stop to break even now. And 41, 31. See, so we'll set a pill point for 21 and see what happens here. 21. Alright, guys, I'll be back and we'll see where we end up at. Alright, that took a long time to play out. Finally got stopped out at break even 5041. So now I'm just going to see what goes on here and make a decision at that point. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, you got a reversal sequence forming right here on this bar. So looking at 9 and 19, 48, 58, 68, 70. Alright, that is a zone right here at the 1 deviation line. So we'll probably look to play up in this area for a short, somewhere around 67 to 70, and go forward from there. So I'm just going to watch at this moment. All right, be back. All right, so we got a little bit of a channel going on here, which should mean push on up a bit, and I'm thinking we're still going to get on up here to around the 1 deviation line, and ideally 40. So I'm looking at this. Though total volume isn't quite where I'd like it, these are some really massive prints in here, and I'm going to base it off of this. So 49, 59, 69 is the threshold for this print here. And that zone lines up within 1 tick of the 7 deviation line. So I'll look somewhere around 67 to 70 to grab a short in there somewhere. And that's if I see absorption up there as well. So all right, I'm gonna wait it out and we'll see. All right, I'll be back. All right, it actually popped within 919 and then an abrupt turn here. So I'm gonna see if we can get a pullback to around 56, and I'll see if I can grab that short in this area here. And I think we are this I zone right here, something's going on. I mean, these must be big players right at this level, right at 50, 55. So not exactly sure. I got to go back and look at the big picture, see what that is, but I think we're going to get to turn around in this area here. So see if I can grab it in. 56 is ideal, but right around this area I'm gonna look to get in short. So all right, I'll be back. Okay, guys, short 10 contracts 5052 right here. Look to pull half off at 42 for 10 ticks. Stop is sitting at 58 for 6 ticks right now, and see if it actually breaks above this I zone. Then we'll probably push on up to the 1 deviation. So we'll see. All right, I'll be back. All right, we got some really weird action going on here. What I'm gonna try to do is pull. Oh, just came off. Okay, 5 off at 47 for 5 ticks, and I'm gonna go ahead and move my stop to 55. That is going to be for 3 ticks. And this is just risk management here, because I'm not sure just yet what is happening. These prints is coming in really weird on the timing sales, and there's nothing to signify a reversal. Ideally, this print I like, the total volume I don't like. And with the way CL works is if it's going in the direction of the channel, it'll push up some more, and then you'll normally get a true reversal sequence with the big prints with the total volume over 10K, and then some type of a turnaround there. But it's hanging right along this I zone right now, and I just want to, I don't want to miss the trade, but I want to keep stops really tight and get in and out where I need to be. So, all right, I'll be back. Okay, stop was just taken out there. So now I want to see if we're going to continue to push up at this point, as I don't want to chase. So what I may need to do is for a break and close below the 8 moving average, but ideally I'd like to see a push on up to the 1 deviation line. All right, I'm gonna watch. I'll be back. All right, guys. Short 10 contracts 50.64 right here. Stop sitting at 74, 4 ticks above 1 deviation line, and I think that is ideal. If it does get stopped at chance, I'm gonna jump right back in it immediately. Look to pull half off at 54. 54. And we'll go forward from there. So this is based off of, where'd it go? These prints right here. 49, 59, 69. 69 is the threshold for that. We got some more prints right here, which lines up 1 tick above 1 deviation line as well. So this is a nice block, everything in this area. So ideally this should spike, which is looking like is what's happening now, and at that point it should reverse. So we'll see what happens here. All right, I'll be back. All right, went ahead and closed this trade for scratch. This print right here, oh my goodness, I like it. Okay, we got 10K, we got 1100 prints here, and I believe we're actually going to go touch the 1, maybe penetrate it a bit. We still have some more spiking up to do, and then looking for a reversal there. So, all right, let me watch and I'll be back. All right, guys, short 10 contracts right here on the deviation line 50.70. Look to pull half off 50.60. Stop sitting at 50.76. 6 tick stop right now. Hopefully I did not jump the gun here. I was expecting an abrupt turn. Saw a bit of absorption. That's why I pulled the trigger. But bulls still look really strong. So we'll see here though. And we'll try to ride this on out. All right, be back in a bit. All right, starting to sweat bullets here a little bit after this close above the 1, but it worked out. So got half off at 50.60 right here. So at this point, I am going to go ahead and move my stop to yeah, we'll move it to break even. This is my last trade, guys. This is I think I'm probably at my maximum trade that I allocate myself a day, and we're just gonna see if we can work this one here. All right, 5 contracts short 50.60. Stop sitting at break even. I'll see if I can peel it 50.50 for 20 ticks and see what happens here. All right, I'll be back. All right, guys, stopped out here, and that is a wrap for Friday. So I'll count up the ticks and see where I ended up. So nowhere near profit margin, but I'm a profit goal, but that's okay as well. All right, have a good weekend, and we'll see you Monday, hopefully. All right, bye.